7 things to tell yourself every morning. There's a moment, right before the world wakes up, when silence still lingers in the corners of your room and the light hasn't yet declared war on your doubts. That moment is sacred, because in it you are no one yet. Not the employee, not the parent, not the person others expect, just you. And it's in this stillness that you get to choose who you'll be, not once in a lifetime, but every single morning. So tell yourself, I am not my past. And whatever yesterday dragged behind it, regret, shame, silence, broken promises, you do not have to carry it into today. Let go of the echoes. You are not the story that went wrong. You are the author holding the pen right now. My worth isn't up for debate. Not today, not ever, not based on how productive you are, not based on likes, comments, or unread messages. You are not a project to be improved. You are a soul to be met, and your worth, unshakable. Today, I will breathe before I break. Life will rush. It always does. But you can pause. You can take a breath, look up at the sky, feel the ground beneath your feet. This isn't weakness. This is reclaiming your power. I will not apologize for taking up space. Speak, stand, be seen. You do not need to shrink to be loved. You were never meant to be invisible, so stop editing your existence. I have the power to choose. Maybe not what happens, but how you meet what happens, with courage, with grace, with that quiet fire inside you that refuses to die, even when the wind howls. I'm allowed to begin again. It doesn't matter how many times you've fallen. What matters is this: you woke up. That's a beginning, and beginnings don't ask for permission. They just need you to show up. There's still magic in this world, and I am a part of it, in the way your heart beats, in the strangers who smile, in the cup of tea that warms your hands. Life whispers every morning, I'm not done with you yet. You see, these aren't just phrases, they are anchors in a world that constantly tries to pull you away from yourself, from your truth, from your fire. Repeat them, even if your voice shakes, even if you don't believe them yet. Speak them until they speak back to you, because the way you begin your day is the way you begin again, and every morning is a quiet revolution. So tomorrow, when your eyes open, before you check the world's noise, check in with your own soul. Remind yourself you are alive. You are still becoming, and that is more than enough.